Alright, hey guys, welcome back to Hfoschool quick class. This one will be on leaders like Microsoft, Apple, Google, and the heads of leading educational companies, insurance firms are joining Joe Biden to meet on the cybersecurity issue. So the reason this is a teachable moment and pops up as a topic for HFO quick class is, excuse me, got distracted for a second. So the reason this is a teachable moment is because our defense has been a consistent issue and a growing issue, as like you can recall from recent cyber attacks to even the continuous previous attacks we've had in history from people like, or organizations like Anonymous or WikiLeaks, things like that. So again, the reason this is a teachable moment is we can expect a lot of policy change, a lot of stern policy change at a legal federal level, and then we could expect some uniform and shared change amongst corporations, as they always try to stay ahead of the what the market is currently doing or their competitors are currently executing. And lastly, you always want to be at the table. So the people who aren't in this meeting, the corporations or companies who aren't in this meeting, they'll be following suit, catching whiff of the news, making those adjustments like civilians, which is technically an irresponsible thing, being a person who is an investor or a person who owns a company or a corporation. You have to stay ahead of policy, and you have to stay ahead of what your competition is executing. So again, heads and leaders of corporations like Microsoft, Apple, Google, and insurance firms, education firms, financial institutions, they're all having a meeting to basically come up with solutions to those kinks in our armor for cyber security. And that said, expect policy change, expect uniform company policy change, and legal changes to come. So that's our short video for today, guys. Till next time.